Ganda ko pa rin kahit pagod.
Sabi ko sa nag-volunteer. Naka-universal lang.
Ha? Hello guys! So I think ito na ang part 2 ng ating Bali vlog here at Seminyak Lagoon All Suite. Bali third accommodation na no, kasi dun sa Ubud, nagpalit kami ng accommodation, right? Remember? If you watched my first vlog. So ito na yung second part. Andito na kami sa Seminyak. Mas malapit na kami sa city center. Puro party and beach clubs, surfing, ganun yung trip. Para siyang malaking Siargao, ganun. Sa pagkakaintindi ko ha, pero syempre hindi pa namin nakikita. And of course, quick room tour since bago na yung accommodation natin. Mas malaki yung room namin doon kasi villa yon. And this one, ewan ko, mukhang okay din naman. Cheaper din. Cheaper pero maganda pa din, guys. I'll show you my room. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to our room. Ito yung itsura niya sa labas. So marami siyang leaves. And this is our room, room F. Let's go inside. Pagpasok mo, yan yung makikita mo. Right? Ito, actually, kapag silip mo dito, ayan na yung bed namin. But, okay, dito muna tayo. We have here, meron dito mga cabinets. Ayan na may full size mirror here. And you see it here. Yeah. So,
Nice ka na yung gamit namin. Si In kasi.
oh, crazy, crazy. Ba't ganun may lock mula sa loob? Anyway, ayan. Okay, check. Machi-machi kami, no? Yes? Okay. You see area, medyo malawag din. Toilets, another vanity area. And then, meron silang shower dito. What's really nice here is merong access palabas. Ayan guys, oh. Right? So, kapag basa ka, gusto mong pumasok, dito ka dadaan.
Galing.
Very convenient. Bedroom. Ay, eto guys, meron silang mini kitchen. You can see here, pwede kayo magluto.
Buksan mo.
Ayoko.
Hindi.
Ayoko.
Oo nga.
Baka sumabog sa akin yan eh. So, medyo semi-complete naman.
Tinry ko na yan kanina.
Ayun o, may mga cooking stuff. Cooking stuff. Alright.
Buksan mo. Dali.
Ano to? Yung mo? Huwag na. Yan, may couch dito. And then, meron silang karaoke book. May, ano yan? Menu. Uy, medyo mura dito, in fairness. Yes. And then, room directory. Everything else. Hotel information. So, ayan. Ano to?
Speaker?
Radio. Push to open. Aray.
Speaker yata.
Sige. Okay. Anyway. Ayan. Tapos may TV dito. Merong YouTube, di ba?
Meron.
Wi-Fi, okay naman. Pati dun sa isang, uy, may Netflix din. The bed. Hindi pa kami, ayan, umayos pa guys. Hindi pa kami humihiga. Kararating pa lang kasi namin. So, uy. Malambot. Parang same lang din dun sa kabila.
Check mo nga.
Pero yung sa kabila, outside clothes din. Ay, sakto lang. Hindi so much. Yung sa Anja, actually, anong size yun ng bed? Sobrang big nun eh.
King size yata eh.
Ayan, tapos may bedside table, may painting dito ng Bambang Station. And then here, I will show you the access to the lagoon. Wow, Diba? Tapos meron dito, oh. Pwede ka mag-lounge. Baka malupit dyan. What a life! And let's check, guys. Kung malamig yung tubig. Check lang. Uy! It's warm! It's warm. Hindi ko na alam kung malalim or hindi.
Okay. Diyan ka lang hanggang matuyo pa ako.
Oh! That's it for our room tour, guys. Bye! They have... Ayan lang. Yan na yung gym nila. And then... Here you go. Yun yung room namin somewhere dyan. Hehe. Walking.
I'll take this one. The butterfly one?
Not so great, but here's the beach. Yes. Hindi daw uulan, no?
Di ulan yan.
Close na, guys, yung mga ibang day beds. Rain on me.
Bakit ayaw? Sabi ko nga to.
Transferred to a different, what?
Ayaw eh.
Ayaw, okay, ako na. Wow, itinerary making. And the pool. Walk trip in the middle of the night.
Yes.
It's one
Lasing na
times
ako.
one. Me yourself. Okay, so walk trip pa din. 2 kilometers done. Yes.
Okay lang.
Yes, so very secluded area. Uy, hindi pa ilaw. Guys, ito yung mga pinamili namin. Yes. Tsaka muna. Then, you also bought some adapter. Ito yung akin, yung parents parang sinaksak nyo na dun. Yes! Yes! Walk trip! Ginit na kami ng tubig. And maliligo kami. Let's try this. Nestle Milo. Kasing ako. Ba't nawala din tama ko? Due to all that walking. Pa-expired na to. Dapat sale na to eh. Are you filming ka?
Yeah.
Milo. Ganda ko pa rin kahit pagod.
Yeah. That's what I love you.
Laki dyan!
Oh my God.
Ganda na outfit ko, guys. Natawa ako. Ang dami kong mga borlole kanina. Ang dami, no? Suot ko yung kanina lahat. Kain na kami, ah.
Wala yung tubig.
Yan. Okay, so. Hindi kita, pero ito. Yun yung toppings niya. Ding dong. Let's taste the sabaw. Amoy!
Bon.
Okay, taste reveal. Sabaw first. Ang magawi.
Grabe, may internet na. Subscribe ko ito kayo.
Nakuliti ako. Ayan. Guys, tingnan niyo yung kulay.
Running breaks your joints. Tai Chi builds them back. After 50, you need them. In 1 week, you'll see your energy. In 2
Keep
weeks,
it.
you'll feel your breath. In 3 weeks, you'll have energy.
I love hearing ghost stories, but actually summoning one, no way. Whether it's real or not, that's the line that I am not personally used to.
Guys, look at this. Very nice. Ito na yung main course ko, guys. Si Renz di pa rin tapos doon. And ito yung kanya. Right? So nice. Eat well. Sabi siguro lang, lakas naman kumain ng dalawang yun.
Basic eh, no?
Hindi masyado malamig. Medyo malamig yung tubig. But not so much. Yes? Pakita ko. Another meal. Guys, the mac and cheese are taco. Let's eat well. Gastos. Sparkling white peach.
And what did you bring?
First, what is that?
Singaraja.
Singaraja, the local Balinese beer.
Get me a white Zinfandel
Cheers.
and a glass of red for Jax.
Your body lies right over the
She's missing one grilled fish.
Another order. Yawa. Lokal.
Grab sa ito.
Okay.
Okay. Agad ako. Salog ako.
Parang mas maitim pa ako sa'yo.
Isoy ako eh.
Wow. Yosin. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Na 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 na, we're done with. Wala. I hope.
More sambal, you can access.
Okay.
Okay, thanks so much.
Fish. So plenty. 2 tables for us. Freebie. Kasi ang lakas kumain nito. Guys! Ubus. Taob lahat kay Boss Renzi Dogs. Yung freebie na lang. Pero carbs din. Tapos menu.
Pag na ako.
Ito. May matcha or shakshuka and beef burger ni Lawrence.
Okay.
Okay. Loki Spur.
Stop it! Stop it!
Guys, ito yung CR nila guys.
Kunin namin yung laundry today. And I'm on my PJs.
Ang layo.
Let's go! Lapit lang, sa kanto lang. Hello guys! So, last full day here in Bali. Day 7. And mag-check out na kami today dito sa Seminyak Lagoon All Suites. Then, pupunta kami actually ng Kuta. Mamimili kami ng mga souvenirs and pasalubong. And that's it. I guess that's it for my Bali vlog. Ito na yung outro ko, but syempre tuloy pa rin ang vlog because we still have places to go and kakain pa lang kami ng lunch. Brunch. Brunch, di pa kami kumakain. Ayun, nag-aayos na kami ng gamit. There. And here. And goodbye to our accommodation, I guess. Nag-aayos na ako guys kasi look at me. My skin color. I love it. Bye! Wow guys, this is so big oh. Look at my hand. Everything. Some shrimp. Grilled octopus. Earth salad. Black sea. Shinemele. And jangwa. Free dessert guys. Yes. Nag-additional siya guys. Nag-additional siya.
Sarap yun.
What are you buying? Buy couscous. Huh? The mall? The beach walk. Hello. Hi. I am the cat.
Continue straight to the first intersection. Then, in 70 meters. Keep right at the fork onto Jalan Access Bandaragara Raya.
Hey. Verstappen. Yeah, open. What's this? This one is mine. My banh mi. How about you?
Beef lemongrass.
Yes.